On the windswept shores of Antarctica, a male Gentoo penguin makes a perilous journey. He is not hunting for fish, nor is he fleeing a predator. In his beak, he carries a single, carefully selected stone. He waddles across the colony, past thousands of other birds, his focus locked on a single female. He approaches her, bows his head, and gently places the pebble at her feet. This is not a simple gift. The female inspects the pebble, perhaps nudging it with her beak. But she is assessing more than the stone itself. She is evaluating the male's ability to find a quality resource, his persistence, and his potential as a partner. Her acceptance, should it come, is a complex calculation of future success. After a moment, she might pick it up, signaling her approval. With the pebble accepted, a ritual begins. The two penguins might point their beaks to the sky, letting out a synchronized, trumpeting call. This act solidifies a pair bond that will, with luck, last the entire breeding season. They are now a team, and their first task is to build a home. This single pebble is the foundation stone, the first piece of a structure vital for their offspring. But pebbles are a finite resource on these barren shores, and where there is scarcity, there is crime. A neighboring male, perhaps less successful in his own foraging, eyes the new couple's growing collection. When the pair is distracted, he makes his move. A quick, furtive dash, a snatch of a stone, and a hasty retreat. Pebble theft is rampant in penguin colonies. Why risk confrontation for a single rock? Because the nest is not for decoration. It's a raised platform, a circular wall of stones that elevates the eggs just a few crucial inches off the frozen ground. In a landscape where snow can melt and refreeze, this simple stone barrier prevents the eggs from flooding or freezing, dramatically increasing the chances of survival. A better nest signals a better provider. This behavior of giving non-food items as part of courtship is known as a nuptial gift. It is surprisingly widespread. A male tern, for example, will present a female with a fish. This gift is both a direct nutritional benefit and a demonstration of his hunting prowess. Some male spiders offer a silk-wrapped insect, a gift that can distract the often larger female from eating him after mating. The gift serves as an honest indicator of the male's quality. But perhaps no creature takes this to the extreme of the bowerbird. The male doesn't just offer a single object. He constructs an elaborate structure, a bower, made of twigs. He then meticulously decorates this structure and the surrounding area with objects of a specific color. The satin bowerbird, for instance, has an obsession with the color blue. He collects bottle caps, flowers, berries, and scraps of plastic, anything blue he can find. The bower itself is not a nest, and the blue objects have no practical value for survival, so why do it? This is an example of what biologists call a costly signal. Finding the perfect pebble or the bluest feather requires immense time, energy, and intelligence. It also exposes the male to danger while he's distracted. The sheer difficulty and expense of creating the display is precisely the point. It's a signal of genetic fitness that simply cannot be faked. How does a practical tool evolve into a pure symbol? The journey likely starts with function. The first gift-giving ancestors probably offered things with direct value, like food or nesting material. Over millennia, As females consistently chose males who offered better gifts, the act itself became ritualized. The gift transformed from a simple utility into a symbol for the ability to provide that utility. The pebble ceases to be just a rock and becomes a promise. The cognitive leap required to assign abstract value to a mundane object is profound. It's the foundation of economy, of art, of language. We see an object that isn't edible or functional, yet we perceive its worth based on its rarity, beauty, or the effort it represents. Think about it. A shiny, compressed piece of carbon. It has no practical purpose for survival, yet it is offered and accepted as one of the most powerful symbols of commitment and resourcefulness that our own species has.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.